Welcome back to another video. If you did not see the last video, I just leveled out the Silverado SS because we squatted it and then we lowered it, aligned it, and last video I leveled it. So it is all level now because when everything was lowered, the passenger side was sitting lower than the driver's side. So I had to mess with the torsion bar in the last video, and it's all good now. So this video, we get to the fun cosmetic stuff. But if we go around here, we will see that the front bumper's hanging pretty low here. It's sagging a lot. It's not the bumper itself, it's the bracket behind the bumper, which I have over there, which I'll show you right now when we unbox it. But so this video, I'm installing a new front bumper as well as putting on the duct. I do have the duct. When I got the car from the guy, he had the duct on it, or he had the duct, but it was already detached. So the bumper bracket, the duct, and then touch up these scratches here and there since it'll be off. So yeah, so with that being said, hopefully this doesn't take too long because we got one more final cosmetic mod in the next video. But hopefully the bumper doesn't take too long so I can hurry up and get this thing done because like I said, we got 3 days for that car show and I want to make sure it's ready. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out Instagram because we got 2 sponsors. Links are in my bio. Get yourself some discounts with my codes. And now let's unbox this whole bumper bracket. As you can see, we got the brackets itself and then the duct right here. I gotta take that off because the truck had grills like this, but I did not like them because they were messing with the paint and scratching the paint. So I gotta take that final grill piece off the duct before I put it on the bumper. But let's unbox this big old bumper right here. And this door is gonna keep swinging and getting in my fucking way. So let's unbox it. Alrighty, we got the new bumper bracket here, but the only way to put this thing on is to take the other one off, so let's see how that goes. So I finally got the plastic part of the bumper off, and this, let's take a look at the part that we're replacing. Yeah, good thing I got a new one. This one is very, very bad. And yeah, there's nothing here anymore, but because it was already broken off and it's attached to the bumper right here, which is why it was sagging. So yeah, there's that. first I'm gonna touch up the bumper real quick, and then trying to touch the duct. But while I touch it up and while that dries, I'm gonna be taking off the metal piece. Metal piece. So first, let's touch up this bumper because there are a lot of scratches on it. Alrighty, we got the old rusty metal bumper portion off, and now I'm gonna go bring the new one over, and then we gotta start swapping all the brackets onto the new one, and then we should be good to go. Alrighty, so here's how it's going so far. We're going pretty good. I got these off, so these I still have to use because I don't have them originally. But after trying to take off this bolt, I was able to make this hole with my finger. Yeah. So I need to see if for some reason, hopefully O'Reilly's Advance or AutoZone has this part. Fingers crossed, but very unlikely. So I had to order them online. They're not gonna be here till 2 days, leaving me 1 day from when they arrive to get this truck ready. Luckily, there's other stuff that we can do beforehand, but in the meantime, the bumper's gonna have to wait. So, yeah, I will see you guys in a couple days.